This is CompTIA Lab 10.3.2 and we're going to practice installing and removing browser software. So you have already visited Google Chrome website and downloaded the Google Chrome installer. To complete this lab, install Google Chrome from the download folder. Okay, and we're also going to navigate to the download folder through File Explorer and double click the installation. So let's start up. We'll go to the File Explorer. We want to locate download because the setup file has been downloaded already. Now we click the exe file and wait for it to download the browser. Okay, so here it says download is complete and waiting to install. Okay, so this is finished installing, and the next thing we want to do according to our tasks, close the Chrome browser window. In settings, go to apps, then apps and features, select Chrome from the list, then select uninstall. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to uninstall this particular software that we just installed. So I'm going to close this and close this also. Then I want to search for apps and features. So here I am going to go into settings and locate apps here on the left pane, and then open apps and features. So here we want to scroll down till we find Chrome, and here we have Google Chrome. So we're going to click here and uninstall this. So check this and we wait for it to finish uninstalling, and guess that is all for this lab. Go ahead and check our answers. Everything should be correct. Let's see. Alright, so everything is 100% correct. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in case you become too busy either with work or having health challenges or family issues, and your grades in any of your tech courses is suffering, you're not even sure you'll come up with a C because currently you have not been able to do several of the assignments, reach me through the WhatsApp number on this video and I will make sure you come out with an A at the end of the term. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.